Okay, so this was the sum that we had solved last lecture. Comparative. ठीक है. So what did I tell you? इसमें क्या होगा? They will give you 2 years. Okay, because you are comparing the base year with the current year or base year with the next year. So what columns you are going to make? Particulars column which will be given in the question 2000, मतलब the base year and the next year column. Then the increase or the decrease column. Okay, when you compare the 2 years, तो या तो आपका अमाउंट इंक्रीज होगा या डिक्रीज होगा, तो दैट यू हैव टू चेक एंड देन यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द परसेंटेज increase or decrease in the column. Okay, and as I said, इधर वो शॉर्टकट मेथड इधर एप्लीकेबल नहीं है. क्यों एप्लीकेबल नहीं है वो भी मैंने आपको लास्ट लेक्चर में बताया था. ओके, एप्लीकेबल इसलिए नहीं है बिकॉज आपका जो न्यूमरेटर है या न्यूमरेटर, दिस कॉलम आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस न्यूमरेटर. ओके, या this is fixed. Okay, okay, so now let us move on to, yeah, we'll have a quick brush up of this sum. Then, yeah, question number 51. Yeah. स्लाइड क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा सा चेंज किया है. इसमें टू थिंग्स आई हैव एडेड. ओके, या this is a trading and P&L account for the year ended 31st March 2017 and 18. Okay, so क्या प्रिपेयर करना है आपको? They have told you to prepare a comparative income statement. Okay, yeah. So 2017 and 2018. So you know 2017 will be what? Obviously your base year, and 2018 will be what? You can take it as your next year or as your current year. बराबर ना? ठीक है, तो ये रहा आपका बेस ईयर. ठीक है, फर्स्ट ईयर इज ऑलवेज द बेस ईयर. ठीक है, ओपनिंग स्टॉक, परचेजेस, ये सब कहाँ आएगा? इन द फॉर्मूला ऑफ दैट COGS. ओके, depreciation of furniture है तो this will come under operating expenses in the heading admin overheads. Electricity expenses will come under factory. तो factory overheads बोला तो I will take it under the composition of COGS. Interest on OD, bank overdraft, interest on loan, I will show it separately where after operating expenses. ठीक है, फिर taxes है, taxes तो मैं माइनस करूँगी. NPBT, net profit before taxes, less taxes, फिर I'll get net profit after taxes. Okay, sales दिया है, that is the first item in my what you called income statement. इनकम स्टेटमेंट मतलब रेवेन्यू स्टेटमेंट, वर्टिकल P&L जिसको आप बोलते हो. क्लोजिंग स्टॉक obviously will come in that composition of COGS. Okay, so this is a very short sum. एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड है ना, वो बताना है मेन इसमें. ठीक है, let us start. Make this. Right now, vertical comparative revenue statement. Okay, 2017 base year, 2018 next year. You can even write current year, no, students. चलेगा. Then increase decrease and percentage increase decrease. Write down the formula of percentage increase decrease. Okay, write this formula. This one. Increase or decrease upon base year into 100. start with sales 10 lakh 20 and 15 lakhs. Okay, see the difference. 15 lakhs minus 10 lakh 20, obviously बढ़ गया है sales by 4 lakh 80. Okay, 4 lakh 80 divided by the base year 10 lakh 20 into 100. So my answer is 47.058. Make it 06. Okay, next COGS. COGS can have first what? Opening stock 80,000 and 3 lakh 20. See the difference? बढ़ गया है obviously 80 minus 3 lakh 20. So there is an increase of 2 lakh 40. ठीक है, प्लीज़ कैलसी का साइन मत देखना -2 लाख 50. हम बेस ईयर को नेक्स्ट ईयर से माइनस कर रहे हैं ना. हाँ यार, यूज लॉजिक. 80 से 2 लाख 3 लाख 20 हुआ है, मतलब देयर इज एन इंक्रीज इन द वैल्यू. बस पुट एन इंक्रीज का साइन. डिवाइड बाय 80,000 द बेस ईयर इंटू 100. ओके, आंसर इज 300. ओके, गो दिस वे, ये ज़्यादा फास्ट होगा. या नेक्स्ट परचेजेस 7 लाख से हुआ 6 लाख. सो दिस हैज़ रिड्यूस्ड. 1 लाख रिड्यूस हुआ है. So 1 lakh divided by 7 lakhs base year into 100. 14.285, make it 14.29. Next, electricity 50,000 से 2 lakh 50 हुआ. So there is a rise. Okay, take the difference. 2 lakhs का increase हुआ. Okay, 2 lakhs divided by 50,000 into 100. 400. Okay, next wages. There are no wages. Okay, ठीक है, fine. नहीं है तो you can omit this step also. Otherwise, this is in the formula of COGS. Okay. If it is not there, you can omit. Then closing stock 90,000 से 4 lakh हुआ है, तो 3 lakh 10 का increase है. Show the increase. 3 lakh 10 divided by 90,000 into 100. 344.4444. That's recurring. Okay. So this completes my COGS. Now total the COGS. Okay. So 80,000 plus 7 lakhs plus 50,000 minus 90,000. 7 lakh 40. Next 3 lakh 20 plus 6 lakhs plus 2 lakh 50 minus 4 lakhs. कितना हुआ? 7 lakh 70. तो 30,000 का इंक्रीज हो गया. ओके, 4 lakh 40 से इट हैज़ बिकम 7 lakh 70. करेक्ट? या. तो 30,000 increase divided by 7 lakh 40 into 100. तो 4.05. ठीक है. Then calculate gross profit. How will you get gross profit? Yeah, sales minus COGS is gross profit. ठीक है. तो कितना था? 10 lakh 20 था sales minus 7 lakh 40. So my GP is 2 lakh 80. See, 2 lakh 80. Next, 15 lakh sales minus 7 lakh 70. So my GP is how much? 7 lakh 30. Okay, so see the difference. There is an increase obviously. कितने का increase है? 4 lakh 50 का. Divide by the base year 2 lakh 80 into 100. 160.71. Okay, is it clear till here to everyone? Are you guys understanding? Is it clear? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Next, operating expenses. Okay, great. Next, operating expenses में I have admin expenses. In admin expenses I have depreciation on furniture. Yeah, now look at this. This is 15,000 और यहाँ कुछ भी नहीं है, डैश है मतलब ज़ीरो. तो 15,000 माइनस ज़ीरो. 15,000 था पहले और अभी ज़ीरो हो गया, मतलब कम हो गया. बराबर ना? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? पहले 15,000 था फर्स्ट ईयर में और नेक्स्ट ईयर में वो ज़ीरो हो गया, मतलब 15,000 कम हो गया ना. ओके, या सो राइट, शो दैट. तो 15,000 डिवाइड बाई 15,000 इंटू 100 विल गिव मी हाउ मच? 100%. ओके. देन सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं दिया है, फाइनेंशियल एक्सपेंसेस नहीं दिया है, पुट अ डैश. जो चीज़ नहीं दिया है पुट अ डैश. ओके. तो ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस में क्या क्या आता है? एडमिन एक्सपेंस, सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड फाइनेंशियल एक्सपेंस. ओके. नेक्स्ट, नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर इंटरेस्ट एंड टैक्सेस. ओके. सो 2,80,000 माइनस 15,000 कितना हुआ? 2,65,000. और ये कितना है? 7,30,000. तो 2,65,000 से 7,30,000 हो गया, मतलब बढ़ गया, बराबर ना? 2,65,000 से इट हैज़ बिकम 7,30,000. सो 4,65,000 का इंक्रीज हुआ है. ओके. सो दिस इज कितना आया था? व्हाट वाज आवर आंसर? 4,65,000 है स्टूडेंट्स. प्लीज राइट इट यूर. दैट्स 4,65,000. जस्ट अ मिनट. 4,65,000. Yeah, please rectify that. I repeat, 2,65,000 था फर्स्ट ईयर में, नेक्स्ट ईयर में बिकेम 7,30,000. तो 4,65,000 का देर इज अ इंक्रीज. डिवाइड बाय द फर्स्ट ईयर, दैट इज द बेस ईयर. 2,65,000 into 100. So answer is 175.47. 175.47. Please make the changes. 175.47. Okay. Now one student asked me, ma'am, like, देखो, अभी we are not putting any sign here. Okay. See why? Because here already I am putting a sign, na? Increase. Correct. So I am calculating percentage based on this figure only. So that is I am not putting any sign. Yeah, it is applicable कि ये जो increase है तो ये percentage भी जो answer है ये भी increase वाला है. This is increase तो this is also increase. ये decrease है तो this is also decrease. So it is understood. Okay. Am I clear on this? समझ में आया? Is this part clear? Increase decrease वाला. Okay. No need to put this sign because already the sign is here. It is already mentioned here. Okay. Now, so that column is based on this column only, na? The last column is based on the fourth column. That is why. Okay. So no need to rewrite it. चलेगा अगर ऐसे भी रखोगे ना आप तो भी चलेगा. See, I'll show it to you. Because this was a doubt asked, so I'm clarifying it. ये देखो, ये increase sign है. इधर भी ऐसे ही sign डाल दो. ये decrease है ना, इधर ऐसे decrease डाल दो. ये increase है, इधर ऐसे increase डाल दो. Okay, ऐसे करो. Next, interest on OD. First year में it is 0. सेकेंड ईयर में इट इज़ 40,000, तो बढ़ गया, 40,000 बढ़ गया है. Okay, I cannot calculate the last column because the denominator is 0. Correct na? Yeah, so just put a dash. The 40,000 divided by nothing. There is no denominator. So this will become dash. Interest on debentures 25,000 था, 25,000 ही है. So no change. Put a dash. Okay. Is this clear? Interest on OD is clear to everyone? समझ में आया? Interest on OD and interest on debentures. Interest on OD in the first year is 0. So there is an increase of 40,000. I cannot calculate the last column because denominator is not there. Okay, so what is the formula? Increase or decrease divided by base year into 100. मेरा base year ही नहीं है for interest on OD. Am I clear? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Same goes for interest on debentures. There is no increase decrease. Numerator is 0. Net profit after interest and before taxes. 2,65,000 minus 25. 2,40,000. 7,30,000 minus 65. 6,65,000. So obviously there is an increase. 4,25,000 का increase हुआ है. Divide by 2,40,000 into 100. So 1,77,08. Even if you don't use this ऊपर का arrow in the last column, it's understood because it is based on this column only. Non-operating expense not there, non-operating income is not there. So net profit before taxes. So that's 2,40,000. That's 6,65,000. Same increase 4,25,000 and same answer 177.08 obviously. Then less provision for taxes 2,40,000 minus 1,10,000 is 1,30,000. 6,65,000 minus 1,07,500 is 5,57,500. Okay, so tax कितना बढ़ गया? पहले 1,10,000 था, now it is 1,07,500. It has decreased 2,500 decrease in provision for taxes divided by 1,10,000 into 100. So 2.27. See, it has decreased. NPAT 1,30,000 and 5,57,500. So it has increased. 4,27,500. So it has increased divided by 1,30,000 into 100. 3,28,87. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? Solution is clear? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay? You can cross check your answer. Net profit before year. Net profit year. Answer. It has to tally. It has to. Net profit after tax 1,30,000 and 5,57,500. It has to tally. Okay, because whether you make P&L in the ledger format or in the vertical format, the final answer will never change. Okay, Now we will do one small question based on balance sheet. Okay, a very small question based on balance sheet, just to show you the application of balance sheet in comparative statements. Okay, so this is a question. Prepare a comparative balance sheet for the following. Okay, see, 2017 and 2016 is given. Ulta diya. Okay, 2017 and 2016. See, ulta diya. So 2016 obviously is the first year, so this is the base year. Okay, sometimes it give you purposely, yeah, like this, shift in the columns. Capital account, that is my share capital. Bank loan is my borrowed funds, obviously, and my bank loan, and just a minute. Yeah, this is my borrowed funds. Okay, and this is my current liability under the category quick liability. Okay, this is my fixed assets. Investments I will write separately as long-term investments. Stock in trade is my, what do you call it, current assets under the category non-quick. Datas are my current assets under the category quick assets. Loans and advances, this is what, yeah, quick. This is my current assets under the category quick assets. And cash at bank, this is also my current assets under the category quick assets. Okay, got it? Is the question clear? A very small question just to make you understand the application of comparative statements, okay, in a vertical format. Is the question clear to everyone? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, so 2000, I repeat, 2016, you have to prepare a comparative balance sheet. Okay, they have asked you to prepare a comparative balance sheet from this information. Okay, yeah. So 2016 is my base year and 2017 will be my current year, or you can call it as the next year. Okay, so let us start. Yeah. Comparative balance sheet. Make 2016, 2017 increase decrease column and percentage increase decrease column. Okay. Start with sources of funds. I hope you'll remember on this. What is sources of funds? Ways through money has come inside the business. Yeah. So how does money come inside the business? Through share capital, through your reserves and surplus, and through your borrowed funds. Okay. So share capital is given, yes, 59,500 and 71,750. It has increased obviously. 59,500 से 71,750 हो गया. So there is an increase of 12,250. Okay, divide by 59,500 into 100. So 20.588. You can make it 59%. Okay. Reserves and surplus is not there. Fine. Bank loan is there. Okay. 10,500 and 14,000. Obviously बढ़ गया है. 10,500 minus 14,000. So there is an increase of 3,500. Okay. Divide by 10,500 into 100. So 33.33% का increase is there. Then total capital employed, add it, 59,500 plus 10,500, 70,000. 71,750 plus 14,000, 85,750. Obviously there is an increase 15,750 का इंक्रीज हुआ है. ओके, या डिवाइड बाय 70,000 इंटू 100. 22.5. नेक्स्ट, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फंड्स. जो पैसा आया थ्रू सोर्सेज ऑफ फंड्स, वो आपने कहाँ कहाँ इन्वेस्ट किया. So we invest in fixed assets, other investments, that is long-term investments, and we need money for working capital. Okay. So fixed assets. Yeah. How much is my fixed assets? Yeah, 43,750. 43,750 say it has become 52,500. So there is an increase of 8,750 divided by 43,750 into 100. So 20% increase. Next, investments. From 1750 it is now 3500. So obviously there is an increase. 1750 ka divide by 1750 into 100. Obviously it will be 100%. Then working capital. May I have current assets? What is working capital? Current assets minus current liability. Okay, current assets में क्या क्या आता है? Quick assets and non-quick assets. Okay, just show that bifurcation. Quick assets may I have debtors. Debtors 26,250. Now it is 31,500. So there is an increase 5250 divided by 26,250 into 100. 20% increase. Next is loans and advances 14,000. Next year also it is 14,000. Okay. Both the years it is same. So there is no change. Zero, right? Put a dash. Cash same. 1750. Here also it is 1750. No change. Put a dash. Okay. Then total it. Quick assets 26,250 plus 14,000 plus 1750. 42,000. Next 31,500 plus 14,000 plus 1750. 47,250. So there is an increase. 5250 ka. Divide by 42,000 into 100. 12.5. Okay. Next, non-quick में there is only one item and that is stock. Okay. How many assets are there in non-quick category? Only two: prepaid expenses and stock. Okay. So I had told you in the beginning कि आप दो याद रखो non-quick, बाकी सब quick है. Okay. Yeah. So my stock is how much? 17,500. And now it is 21,000. So there is an increase of 3,500 divided by 17,500 into 100. 20% increase. Okay, then total your non-quick assets, you'll get the same answer. Then current assets is what? Quick plus non-quick. Okay, quick asset कितना है? 42,000. Non-quick कितना है? 17,500. So my current asset is 59,500. Okay, next 47,250 quick asset plus 21,000 non-quick 68,250. So obviously there is an increase. Okay, ये देखो ये बढ़ गया है. It has increased. Minus 59,500. 8750 का increase. Okay, divide by 59,500 into 100. 14.705. We can make it 71. Okay. Next, yeah, current liability. So current liability में what do I have? I just have creditors. Okay, so my creditors 35,000 से it is now 38,500. बढ़ गया 3,500. Divide by 35,000 into 100. Okay, 10% increase. Then total your quick liability Same answer you will get. Non-quick में कुछ भी नहीं है. Put a dash. Okay. Then working capital is what? Quick assets minus your quick liability. Or total current assets minus total current liability. Okay. So I have written here working capital. Yeah. It is A minus B. मतलब current assets minus current liability. Okay. Talking about this 59,500 minus 35,000. 59,500 minus 35,000. 24,500. Okay. Next. Next column. 68,250 and 38,500. 68,250 minus 38,500. 29,750. Okay. So there is an increase definitely. कितना 5250 divided by 24,500 into 1. Okay, 21.428, make it 43. Okay, so you have to be very quick in all these things. Then total it. Total of application of funds. Fixed assets plus your investments plus your working capital. Okay, fixed assets कितना है आपका 43,750, investments 47,1750. So 43,750 plus 1750 plus your working capital 24,500, 70,000. Okay, next 52,500 plus 3,500 plus 29,750. 85,750. It has to tally. Okay, minus 70,000. So 15,750 का increase divide by 70,000 into 100. 22.5. Okay. So this completes our comparative statements. You just have to make 2 columns more. Okay, percentage increase decrease. Rest everything is same.